Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best shower hose that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have HOMEIDEAS 118-inch shower hose. With a stainless steel outer part, you can count on this hose to be rust-proof, resist scratch, and last for years under wet conditions. It also comes with 4 PCs washers that add to its longevity and quality to ensure you get value for your money. The hose boasts of a kink-free feature that allows you to swivel it up to 360 degrees without damaging it. Also, the model is lightweight and flexible enough to give you an easy time when installing and using it. The new 360-degree anti-wrap innovative structural design has a good connection, can be free to swivel. This shower head hose is lightweight, very flexible and no kinking. Make it easy for all shower. Its inner part is made of EPDM material that can handle high pressure to give you superb stream. You also get a 24-month warranty that gives you peace of mind when you buy this hose. Moving on at number 4, we have PureLux Shower Head Hose 118 inches extra long handheld showerhead extension. It is one of the most extended hoses you can get for your shower thanks to its 10 feet length. One thing that makes it a great unit is the ability to fit most handheld showerheads of up to 1/2 inch connection. You do not need a professional to connect this hose for your or even many tools, you can also save time and money. Another thing, the hose is flexible and does not kink when you are using it. It also comes with robust brass connectors that add to its durability while keeping it tightly connected to the other system. You can use it for many years without worrying about getting damaged due to its robust construction. At number 3, we have Aqua Elegante Universal 60-inch Flexible Shower Hose. It is a high-quality hose that is made of stainless steel material and finished with nickel to give it more durability. You can count on the model to add beauty to your bathroom and make it easy to clean compared to other hoses. A high-quality stainless steel outer tube gives you peace of mind when showering. The oil-rubbed bronze finish makes the hose beautiful to look at as well as easy to clean. It fits all standard shower plumbing of 1/2 inch, making it a universal model that can give you peace of mind when you buy it. The hose is corrosion resistant and does not kink when you are using it. It also withstands minerals, salts, acid, heat, high pressure, and grit. When installing, you only need to twist it on, and it will be ready for use. You do not require any tool or call a plumber to achieve that. At number 2, we have Hansgrohe Hand Shower Hose Technoflex. You get a light hose that lasts for years without showing any sign of getting damaged, no matter how often you use your shower. It is easy to clean due to the premium quality Technoflex sleeve of the model. You get a total length of 63 inch when you choose this model and enjoy the much needed freedom while in your shower. The hose is compatible with several showers, including Chroma, Powder Rain, and Raw Infinity collections. Easy to connect, the hose fits with all 1/2 inch system, and you only need to twist it when attaching. There is also a brass swivel connector that makes it easy to turn. You also get a warranty by the brand to have peace of mind when using your hose. And finally at number 1. Angle Simple Extra Length Shower Hose. It is a beautifully designed hose that offers enough length to meet your bathroom needs and lets you have a comfortable shower. The inner part is made of long-lasting EPDM wrapped in nylon to add the much-needed strength and durability. One thing you should remember is the hose is made of stainless steel material that resists corrosion and rust and is kink-free. You can move the hose without worrying about anything, and it still lasts for years. Another feature is the metal connectors made of brass coupler on both ends of the hose, and it fits 1/2 inch pipe thread. You also enjoy an attractive and elegant finish, thanks to the oil-rubbed bronze finish. It is a hose that can give you value for your money. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.